Do you want to earn your first $1,000? Then you should watch this full video without skipping. This video is going to fulfill your all thoughts. You just need your mobile phone and internet connection to start making money. You do not need a website, no worry about audience, no affiliate marketing, and don't worry about investment. In today's video, I'm going to share with you best and effective ways to generate loads of leads every single day. Using this method, you can earn your first $1,000 instantly. Guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can go on Google and search here Rightly. Click here to open this first URL. Guys, Rightly is best and trusted call to action platform. You can use this platform to generate lots of leads instantly. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. Now you can type here your email address and click on continue button. Check your email. This platform will send you verification code on your email address. You can paste here that verification code. Now click on login button. You can click on create new ad button. Now type your ad name. Click on add button. Guys, I'm going to make simple landing page. You can go on Google site and click here to open this blank template. Click here to delete this header section. Click on text box. You can type here this kind of title. Now I'm going to add your CPA link. You can visit on CPA network like My Lead, CPA Lead, CPAGRIP, Crack Revenue. You can visit any CPA network and then you can select CPA offer related to shopping gift card. For example, you can go on CPAGRIP network and then you can click on sign up button. You can type here your first name, last name, your address, email address, password. You can select your time zone. Here you can see they're asking where did you hear about us. You can type here YouTube and you will have to accept its terms and conditions. And at last you can click on register now button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on offer tools button. Now you can click on my offers button. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can select any of these CPA offer. Here you can see earning per click. You can earn 9 cents per click. If you will promote this CPA offer, then you can earn $2.06. If you will promote this CPA offer, then you can earn 69 cents. As you can see here, all this CPA offer is performing well. I'm going to promote this CPA offer. You can click on this Android icon. Guys, here is showing CPA link. This CPA link is only allowed on Android device. This CPA offer is available for Spain countries. When someone will from Spain click on this CPA link using Android device and they will sign up, then you will earn 69 cents. Right click on this image. Click on copy image address button. Go on Google site and click on images button. Click on select button. Click on link button. Paste your image URL. Click on insert image button. Drag this image here. Now I'm going to add your CPA link. Go on CPAGRIP website, click here to copy the CPA link. Go on Google site and click on button. Type your button name. You can type your Android users, click here. Now you can paste your CPA link. Click on insert button. Drag this button here. Now I'm going to add your another button for desktop users. Go on CPAGRIP website. Guys, I'm promoting this CPA offer. Click on this desktop icon. Here is showing CPA link. Click here to copy the CPA link. Go on Google site, click on button. Type your button name. Paste your CPA link. Click on insert button. Now drag this button here. I'm going to add here another button for Apple iOS users. Go on CPAGRIP website and click on this icon. Guys, here you can see CPA link. This CPA link is only allowed on Apple iOS device. Click here to copy this CPA link. Go on Google site, click on button. Type your button name. Now paste your CPA link. Click on insert button. Drag this button here. Now I'm going to add your text. Click on text box. You can type here this offer is only allowed in Spain. Now click on publish button. Type your unique web address. Click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. My Google site has published successfully. Click on this link icon. Here is showing Google site URL. Click here to copy this URL. Now go on Rightly website and paste your Google site URL. Now type your profile name. Type your second. You can type your 4 seconds. Now I'm going to upload your image. You can go on CPAGRIP website and download this image. You can right click on this image, click on save image button. Now go on Rightly website, click on upload button. Now type your description. You can type your get coupon code and save minimum $250 on every shopping. Select your sound. You can select any of this sound. Now type your button name. Now I'm going to paste your Google site URL. You can go on Google site, click on this link icon. Click here to copy this URL. Now go on Rightly website and paste your Google site URL. Guys, you can select any of this format. I'm going to select this format. Here is showing preview. This advertisement will show after 4 seconds. Scroll down, click on done button. Now I'm going to add your destination URL. You can go on Google and search your coupon code for shopping Spain. Now click here to open this URL. Guys, here you can see top shopping website. You can click here. As you can see here, this website is getting over 6.8 million visitors monthly. Here you can see this website gets over 90% visitors from Spain country. You can copy this website URL. Now go on Rightly website and paste your shopping website URL. Click here. Now select this option. Click on create link with add button. Yeah, here we go. I have successfully created destination URL. Now in next step, you can go on free ads template form. Click on post and add button. Scroll down, click on post a classified ad button. Now select your category. Scroll down, click on continue button. Now select your country. You can select your Spain country. Now you can select your state. Select your city. Guys, here you can see this CPA offer is only allowed in Spain country. That's why I have selected your Spain country. Click on continue button. Now type your ad title and ad description. You can go on Google site and copy this title. Now paste here. Now I'm going to type your description. You can type your this kind of ad description. Now I'm going to paste your URL. You can go on Rightly website. Here is showing destination URL. Click here to copy this URL. Now paste here. Scroll down, click on continue button. You can type your price, click on continue button. Type your name and email address and then you can click on continue button. Select your ad type individual. Click on continue button. You can type your website URL. You can go on Rightly website, click here to copy this URL. Go on this platform and paste your website URL. Click on continue button. Now I'm going to upload your image. Click on choose file button. You can select this image, click on open button. Scroll down, select your basic option. Scroll down, click here to verify this captcha. Now click on continue button. Click on submit button. Yeah, here we go. My ad has been posted successfully. You can check your email address and you can click here to view your advertisement. Guys, here is showing my advertisement. Here is showing image. You can also go on Facebook and search your free gift card. Click on groups button. Type your city. You can type your Spain. You can select here this location. Here you can see some groups. You can simply open this group. Now you can click here to join this group. As you can see here, this group have over 6,000 members. Here you can see this person is sharing URL on this group. You can also directly share your Google site URL on this group to get audience. Your post will be reached to all these members. Guys, let me show you how this link will work. Guys, you can add here any kind of website URL. For example, I'm going to add here my blogger website URL. Guys, here is my blogger website. I'm going to copy this URL. Now go on Rightly website and paste here blogger website URL. Click on create link with add button. Here is showing URL. You can click here to copy this URL. Now I'm going to open this URL in new tab. Yeah, here we go guys. As you can see, your call to action advertisement is showing here. When someone will click on this button, then they will be redirected on my Google site. As you can see here, when people from Spain click on this button, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will submit his email address, then you will earn 69 cents per person. Guys, Rightly platform will not work on some of destination URL. Some of website don't allow to show call to action advertisement. You will have to find out which platform is allowing call to action advertisement. You can visit on this website. You can copy URL of that website. Now you can go on Rightly website. You can paste here that website URL. Now you can click on create link with add button. You can generate call to action URL. You can click here to open this URL. Rightly website will show this kind of call to action advertisement. Guys, this is a best and effective ways to generate lots of leads. You can earn more than $1,000 by using call to action method. If you want to learn more about CPAGRIP network, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.